Hello everybody, today I'm talking about what I pack when I want to dress and feel tall. I'm only 5 feet tall, and when I travel for work, I really want to pack things that I feel good in, that I feel confident, and that makes me feel a little taller anyway. So let's jump into that right now. So I'm traveling to Texas for work. I'm going to be surrounded by colleagues and my coworkers. I'm going to be sitting in conference rooms all day, which are probably going to be freezing. So I want to be comfortable, and thankfully the dress is casual, so it's going to be that for me. But casual to me usually means nice jeans, nice top. Keep it simple, stupid, right? So that's what I'm packing. It's going to be my uniform for all 3 days that I'm there. So I'll go through each of these, and I'm only taking one pair of shoes, and that's not because I'm trying to get everything into a carry-on, because girl, don't carry on. I'm not tall enough to put my bag up there, and nobody wants to help, and it's a whole thing. So anyway, back to the uniform. All 3 days, I'm bringing 3 pairs of jeans, one for each day. And then I'm just carrying tunic type top to go with each of them. And I'll probably carry 1 or 2 extra shirts just in case Messy Marvin gets something on herself. I'm only taking 1 pair of shoes. It is a wedge heel. I talked about it in my last video, 5 common styling mistakes. That the way I like to wear wedges is with a bootcut jean or some kind of wide leg pant, because the jeans or the pant that you're wearing will really hide the chunkiness of that wedge heel, which I don't like. I don't think it's flattering on me, but it gives you the height. So girl's gonna get like an extra 4 inches of height with those wedge heels. So only bringing those besides the pair of shoes that I'm wearing on the plane. So first, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing on the airplane. I have this little romper that I got from Amazon. I've actually done a short about it. So comfortable. It looks like a romper, but it's actually 2 pieces. And I'm not mad at that because it makes the whole bathroom situation a whole lot easier, if you know what I mean. It is so cute though. It comes in many different colors. It is super soft, and I'm wearing it in black. I just paired it with a neutral colored sandal, grabbing my jean jacket to take with me because, you know, planes are always freezing, so are the airports. And then that's it. Super comfortable. Got to be comfortable on the airplane. That is a great go-to outfit for traveling. So for the first day of work in Texas, this is what I'm wearing. I paired a pair of bootcut jeans with a floral tunic that I did a little tuck in the front, and I've got the wedge sandals on. And you can see in this clip, when you wear your wedge heels in this way with a pair of bootcut jeans and do some kind of little tuck with your top, and those jeans are high rise, so my legs look long in this, and it's all an illusion because I'm still 5 feet tall, but it really does give the illusion that I'm taller. The second outfit for the second day of work is another bootcut jean, a different pair, but a bootcut jean, and I paired it with this polka dot tunic. I believe this one is from the Loft. So again, same look, same idea. Have the bootcut jeans with the wedge heels, and same idea. Looks a little taller, feels a little taller, done and done. And the third outfit for the third day of work is very much the same thing. Another pair of bootcut jeans, a floral top top, and the wedge heels. So keep it simple, easy go-to. I know it works. I'm gonna feel tall. I'm gonna feel good and confident. I wanted to mention a couple other things that I always take with me just as helpful tidbits when you're traveling. There's a couple of things. I recently purchased this little charging station. Look how nice that is to travel with. And then if you are an iPhone user, you can charge your iPhone and then your watch and your earbuds here. So this is really nice to travel with. Another thing I travel with, I know it looks like a flat iron, but it's not. It is a steamer, and this really travels well. It works really well. This is from Amazon. It's by a brand called Nori. One side is a steamer, and then the other side is more of an iron. Sorry, I know I'm not showing it really well here, but you get the idea. So this is fantastic to travel with. I know I always get stressed about my clothes getting wrinkled in the suitcases, and all the travel. So that just put that worry behind, because I know I got my steamer and we're good. One more thing I wanted to show you guys is this little jewelry bag. And I don't travel with a ton of jewelry. I usually keep it simple: earrings, watch, necklace. Probably that's good. But I do like this, and I think these come in different sizes. You can put necklaces on this, and then it has a little pouch here. This is for rings or watches. You get the idea. It's really nice, and what I love about it is that it's very compact, small, it's full, it folds, and it's soft and flexible. So that is my go-to travel essentials there. I've got my uniform, and I've got the things that I take with me that kind of cause for a stress-free business trip. So of course, there are different kinds of business trips that I go on. This one just happened to be casual wear, which I'm super fan of, but I would pack a little bit differently if the dress was more business. So maybe I'll do one of those videos in the future and tell you how I break down my outfits and what I'm gonna wear. So if you're interested in something like that, or seeing me do, you know, a different kind of travel wardrobe, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to put one together. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Hit that like button if you found value in this video. Leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.